The night has barely ended, and yet I feel it still inside me. The kind of tired that sleep can't fix, a weight that lives in the bones, a silence that follows every prayer. So I sit here, before the dawn fully wakes, and whisper the only truth left in me. Lord, I'm tired of holding on. I've carried too much for too long. Dreams that didn't happen, fears that grew louder than faith, and the quiet ache of pretending to be strong. Stay with me, Lord, in this quiet morning. I don't have many words left, but maybe you don't need them. Maybe you only need the sighs that rise from a tired heart trying to trust again. I've told myself to keep going, that faith means never stopping. But lately it feels like faith might also mean learning to rest, to let the tears come and not be ashamed of them, to lay everything down without knowing when strength will return. I've tried to fix what only you can heal. I've tried to hold together what was meant to fall apart. And now, in the stillness of this dawn, I finally see it. You were never asking me to hold it all. You were asking me to let go. So here I am, empty-handed, but not without hope. Teach me again what it means to be carried, to stop striving and simply breathe. Maybe peace is not found in pushing through the storm, but in sitting quietly and realizing you are already here. Stay close, Lord, as the light begins to rise. Don't let me run back into the noise before I feel your peace again. Don't let me fill the silence before I learn to rest in it, for even when I have nothing left to offer, you are still enough. I understand now. You never asked me to be unbreakable. You only asked me to stay in the moment, to stay in the struggle, to stay in your presence. The dawn outside my window is gentle today. It doesn't rush, it doesn't demand. It just arrives, soft, certain, faithful. Like you. And as the light touches my hands, I realize that every morning is a quiet promise, that even tired souls can begin again. So I lift my eyes just enough to see the day coming, and I whisper, thank you. Amen. If this prayer finds you where words have run out, write your heart below. Tell of the weight you've carried, the hopes you're still holding. Together, we learn to rest in the same dawn and believe again in the God who never lets go.